Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with Sneaky Peek Day 2 for my Creative Times 144th edition release. And let me just show what we're showcasing today. We have the North Pole stamp and die, 6 pieces to go with that. And then there goes the the stamps. Hopefully you can see those. Really cute set. Next up we have the sleigh dies. You'll get 3 pieces in this. This is all welded together, really cute. I love how that is, so you won't lose any pieces. And then there goes that sleigh, which impresses 3 stars on the side, and really cute set. So you'll see how I made that and made a couple items with this set here. Next up we have the Sweet Ginger Santa Claus. Really cute, love that. And this only goes with the medium-sized ginger. I'll show you which one in a second. And then we have the ginger deer antler dies and stamps. And this one goes with the boy and girl ginger, as well as the sweet ginger person and the companion ginger. So really cute set. And then there you go. You can kind of see those right there. Stamp and die set there. Okay, and here are all the items that I used to accompany those new dies and stamps that I showed you. First off, we're using the Christmas Ginger Kisses, and I used that because I ran out of that dark green paper in the other set, so I was happy to have this one. And then from the Beautiful Basics, I'm using this here. And of course I had to pull out the small and medium ginger faces, so I used some of those from there. Sweet Person Ginger. This is the set that you'll use with that medium-sized Santa Claus. I also pulled out the Ginger Rain Gear, and I'm just using just the tops of the boots. And then also from the Ginger Rain Gear 2, I used the same thing. And the large treat bag die. I want to say that's the name of this one. Yes, from the large treat bag die, I'm using just these 2 layers here. And then from the 5x5 card die layers, I'm using this here. Sweet Ginger Person, I'm using just the ginger. And a bunch of fun circles, my favorite die. I'm using just these, I think. From there. And then I also pulled out the torn paper using this one here, and I did make it a little bit smaller. And then also from the boy and girl gingers, I'm using both of those, or at least one of them. Okay, so I made a few items for you today, so we're going to start out with these 3, and this is what I'm using. I used, once again, and I don't think I showed it to you, but I used a 3.75 by 4.75 card-based dies, and I just layered this North Pole up on there. So cute. And I thought I would use that metallic paper again, as well as some silver metallic paper there. And this is the sentiment I chose to use, which is North Pole. And the inside is very similar, and I use Seasoned Greetings, and I just use that layering technique to cut it out into the paper, the one I showed you yesterday. But I love this, so cute, so pretty. And then that paper in the background was perfect. It looks like snow's falling there. And then I made a tag to go with that small ginger, the reindeer antlers. I thought that was just perfect. He's just kind of sticking out, popping out to say hi. It's just so cute. And then I also used some more red metallic paper to accompany her paper in the background. And then those layer up really nicely on there. So Rudolph it is. And then there goes the back side of it. And then I used the stamps that went with the antler dies. Just so pretty, so cute. And then this is my last card. Once again, that layering technique is what I use to cut that out. And so this is just a little thin strip of the metallic going around, and then I inlaid this paper back into there. So pretty and perfect for the reindeer in the background. And then this is where I use the little rain gear. I wanted him to have hoofs on, so that's where I use those. Really, really cute. And there goes the inside. Okay, and then the last three items that I'm using, which is that sleigh, as well as the Santa Claus, and the bag again. These are so cute. Let's start out with this one here. Thought I would turn this into a tag. Would be perfect to hang on a Christmas tree, or however you'd like to use it, hanging off a bag. But it is so cute. There goes the Happy Holidays, which I got from the special delivery set that we showcased yesterday, and the holly leaves as well, and just pop that on there. So it's really sparkly, glittery. Use glitter paper, as you can see, and I added one single bell on there. And then there goes the other sleigh set. I thought I would turn this into a card, and just perfect. I did use the landscape style card for this one. Added the presents in there, and I actually made it so that you can actually stick a gift card behind there if you'd like as well. And so that is really cute. Love that. And I did not finish the inside, but and then I pulled out that large treat bag and turned it into a tag so that I could pop this Santa Claus on there. I did punch a hole in there, of course, and then this is where I used that paper layer. And this is how I cut out and shortened the paper, the torn paper die. And I thought that was perfect for that stamp set. Really cute. And the Santa Claus does come out, so whoever I gift this to, they can use this as a an embellishment, and then also turn that into a gift card holder and send it out. So it's up to the person who might receive that, or maybe I can use it for Christmas. Either way. All right, so that's what I have for you today. Make sure you use my link. Make sure you use my discount code MOE for 10% off your total purchase any day of the week, or 15% off this weekend. All right, that's all I have for you. Use all the links down below. You all have a blessed and crafty day.